right, so getting a lot of questions about Japan and on Chat GPT app and its usages, status of it, and just wanted to go through. So go to OpenAI, and as you do it here in the States, and then you register and get your key, and then start ChatGPT. So it works pretty good in Japanese, and just to illustrate, let's see, write email on the current Japanese economy. Can't type. Just easy application example. In English, it's pretty fast, so that maybe we can use it to make a retouch, revise a little bit, and it covers pretty good overall, just simple emails, and then let's see if, for example, let's try to ask and see. So let's see, what's a good question? EV, electrical vehicle is expanding, but overall utility is not available. So then, how does EV evolve and expand into the market in U.S. market? How does EV expand its share if the electricity is not enough in the market? Well, just very rough draft. I have to brush it up a little bit, but why electricity is not enough in the market, but how can EV market can grow? I forgot to write an email, but or I can tell it to write a report, blog, or email, or even a code program. There's a lot of applications that Japanese uses. How about in case of Japan? Let's see. How is it? Let's see. Write email, but write email on the most recent Japanese economy. So it's okay. It's not as fast as the English, but it's the contents is pretty good. It's covering various topics that's really happening. So overall, it's pretty good, I must say. And then I can retouch it and then send it off as an email response. Sometimes it goes on. It's almost like a dialogue. It's a very natural language. And it's pretty good in terms of structure and topics and the grammar. Yeah, it's preparing pretty well, and then I can just maybe sometimes I can just copying very well here for some reason, and then maybe go back in and then copy paste on the deep translation. Okay, yeah. Well, it didn't copy everything, but it's okay. So, and then go on to fix on the Grammarly to correct my grammars, and after I retype it. So it's pretty good. Can tell it to email on how to sell industrial machinery to stop generating. Right, email on how to sell industrial machinery to the EV companies in the US. There are so many different things we can apply. I'm just taking an example as an email or report writing, but how to sell, market products. It's covering the various topics. Maybe I can add unique or customized way to do this on top of what Chat GPT comes up with, but it's pretty good. How about something new that we're wanting to discover? How to sell graphene in the US. Graphene. We're starting to promote graphene materials, so also wanted to test, but also as a reporting purpose, I just wanted to see the capability of the Chat GPT. It's good. So I think overall pretty good, and then it's covering the basic topics pretty well. So I can well, it's in email format, but I can yeah, so that's good. And then in the US, as
how to use OpenAI's API platform. I created
there's a lot of people doing using Chat GPT to build our own app tools. So I will put these YouTube links in the description section for you to review, and also building your own website entirely using the Chat GPT.
Created by OpenAI, basically an AI that you can interact with in a conversational way. It's really powerful and can help you do a lot of different things, but it sparked a lot of interest and debate over whether.
And then eventually, ultimately, I think the Japanese companies would be interested in using the Mastercam to and then Chat GPT to do machining, for example.
Sometimes though, you might be looking for some extra information. Where can you turn for help when that happens? Help me, Tom Cruise! Sometimes he's not always available, but in this video here, we're going to give you another option for getting extra help on your own in these complex tool paths. Okay, so before we hop into this video, before we get going, let's just talk about one thing real quick. I can't believe I'm actually going to say this stuff because my kids watch videos on YouTube all the time. I cringe whenever I hear YouTubers say this, but basically, if you find this video useful, informative, and you'd like other people to
Yes, so I think it's pretty good. We will expand it a little bit, and then all the queries are here on the left-hand side. And if you don't want it to leave, you can delete it. The DaVinci is the latest version. You can upgrade it to different levels, and make sure to go. You can write a script also, but go to see the examples to make sure you understand various options and capabilities available. So Jing, hope you'll be able to integrate this into your daily web-related apps, and I don't know if in the future you can integrate this with you cannot integrate with any apps right now with outside, but we have to tweak it. But with Kinton and Aki with Project B that we've been working on for about a year now, and Ken, I hope you'll be able to expand this to something else in our coding and programming demands. So CNC app, I think it's really interesting project. And then there's an upgraded version. You can set your own parameters and choose different ways to find your own applications. Thank you so much, and I apologize that it's been a while since the IMTS related, but we'll try to cover these shortly and more often. Thank you.